How to change the cylinder for HT3 channel leather bending machine. Open the cabinet. You need a 14 mm wrench, a plier and a screwdriver. Loosen and remove the top and bottom air entrance pipes. Loosen the screw holding the sensor into place and unplug them. Use the 14 mm wrench to loosen the large nut securing the cylinder. Rotate the cylinder counterclockwise to detach it from its mounting. Use the plier to loosen the two smaller nuts attached to the cylinder. Rotate it and fully remove the old cylinder. Position the new cylinder in its designed spot and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Use the pliers to tighten the two smaller nuts onto the cylinder. Use the 14 mm wrench to tighten the large nut. Retach the sensors and tighten the screws for both the top and the bottom sensor. Reconnect and tighten the top air entrance pipe. Adjust the air pressure to the maximum setting. Repeat the same steps for the bottom air entrance pipe and adjust the air pressure accordingly. The cylinder successfully replaced. Turn on the machine and air compressor. Release air into the machine and check that both sensors are functioning correctly. As you can see, the left cylinder is slow to come down, so it needs to be adjusted.